40th point nila was 2 minutes and 40 seconds mark pa ng third quarter. So halos 5 minuto na silang scoreless dito.
Tingnan natin kung mabibreak nila to. Ito na si James Yap. Umangat. Still nothing. It was a well-run play pero wala lang talaga pumasok. At this point, balikan po natin si Patricia Bermudez. He's on.
Alam mo, still treading on dangerous waters itong Alaska Aces. And of course, they don't want to let up. Ito si Coach Tim Cone, sinabi niya sa huddle kanina that they really need to win on the offensive boards para makapag-sprint back sila. And they also need to continue attacking the zone nitong Pure Food. Sabi pa nga niya kanina, whether we are up by 25 or down by 25, we must stay disciplined. At nilapitan niya itong si Randy Holcomb, who right now actually is getting a massage on his left ankle due to a cramp that he got just a little while just earlier. Sinabi niya dito kay Randy Holcomb, as long as Pure Foods is in the lead, the calls might be going against us. That's why we must continue to fight hard. Back to you guys.
Okay, nagpapamasahe mo pala si Randy Holcomb, ha?
Nakikita nga natin dito sa
sabi nga,
natin.
pagkatapos masahin, pakilipat naman dito.
Ayun, no?
Aba, nakakasmile pa to si Randy Holcomb ngayon. Mukhang masarap yung masahe.
Oo, tumuro pa dun sa ating cameraman.
Alright, pero yun na nga, no? Maganda yung sinabi ni Coach Tim Cone, no? Discipline. Kailangan ipakita ng Alaska Aces. That separates good teams from great teams, eh, no? If you can play consistently, kahit ano pa yung score dyan, night in, night out, play with the same consistency, that will make you a great team. In the meantime, timeout is charged on the floor. Magbabalik po kami.
Sir, hindi pa ba tayo magsa-start?
Apat tayo. Paano tayo mag-i-start? Start na ka mo? Mag-Outlast Maintenance Free Battery ka! Start agad! Outlast Maintenance Free Battery. Start agad!
Right there, come on. Hey! Come on. If you come on.
Alright, welcome back to Inares Center. Ayan po si Coach Ryan Gregorio. Still egging on his players.